As a new student, you may have seen my posts on our website featuring the trade of the day. I think I'll start posting them on social media as well. But now let's take a look at what are the basic rules for this trade. I like to call this the pressure cross trade, which you might remember from your initial training in the light program. Remember, there are 3 simple rules, all using our 5-minute chart, and you're watching for just 3 of our indicators to signal a trade opportunity. First, for a sell, we would need the green pressure to cross on bottom, followed by support from your majors indicators, and also support from your thin orange indicator, all pointing down in the same direction. So as we play this forward, let's see if we can find that opportunity. Now you see all rules were in agreement. We had green pressure crossing on bottom. We have support from our majors right here and support by our thin orange. Now there's 2 different ways that you might be able to track this. First, you would use the ATR for your take profit and you double that for your stop loss. Or second, you would use a level just 3 to 5 candles back. You'll look for the highest point and that becomes your stop loss. So in this case, we would use our trade ratio tool to help us realize how far it is. And in this case, it's about 150 point stop loss. Now we would type in 150, 75 would become our take profit. And we continue forward and it clears our take profit just 15 minutes later. Now you can see we've been doing this trade plan since the beginning of February. Currently, our account balance is $18,375.50 with a win rate of 89%. Now, as we look at another opportunity to show a buy, you'll notice here, step 1, green's popping on top. Step 2, major support it. Step 3, thin orange supports it. In this case, the ATR was 38. So we then would use that as our potential take profit. And we would do 76 for a stop loss, which puts us also outside the bottom of those 2 candles. And as we play that forward, that also becomes a successful trade in just about 10 minutes. So remember to continue to back test this. And in the simulator, I love it because it keeps a running total of our profits earned as well as my winning percentage. And as you know, the trade simulator does not account though for brokers' fees and costs that may be associated with trading actual money, but does give you a pretty good idea of what's possible. And there you have it. That's the trade of the day. As you wish to back test the strategy, starting as I did back in February 20th of 2024, and see if your results come up with match mine. But I warn you, live trading in our corporate account should always be traded after you have proven your strategy. And one more tip, always avoid red folders and major news announcements when it comes to the financial world. If you see that at the same time, skip and just wait for your next setup. Thank you.